Hey Andre, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about water's fault, water damage restoration. But before we get into that, I just want to discuss on how you can be seen and found by Google and where you get most of your business. So with that, let's get started. So once we put in, let's just say for instance, water damage restoration, San Francisco, um, you get what's called a sponsored up here. This is way number one on how you can be found. Way number two is these three positions here, um, what's called the Google Business Profile, um, in these three positions in the map pack area. Now, in order to get up here, you need to make sure that your profile is saved at 100% and everything is completed. And also, you need more citations than the next guy. So, let's move forward. The third thing on how you can be found, where you get your business from as well, is the organics section. Uh, Yelp, Lion, Restoration, and Water Damage Recovery hold these three top slots for water damage in San Francisco. So, in a nutshell, that's pretty much how you can be found in Google. So, with that, let's get started on. Let's talk about water's fault damage restoration and take a look at your website. So, okay, I like how you have, um, I really like your logo up here. It's pretty nice. Let's see, alright, you've got some content here. These look like they're clickable. You got your contact us, your blog here, our services, okay, restoration rebuilding. Alright. Well, it looks like from the looks of it, Well, well, let me explain first. Google really likes and loves content, so if you have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone, that's what Google really looks for. From the looks of it here, it looks like you have about 800 words of content. And it also looks like you don't have any keywords saved to that content, which would help you tremendously. So let's take a quick look at your competitors, which is Lion Restoration. They are on the second position. So right here, it looks like they have saved um, keywords, but they're all bunched up right here. So Google typically likes it whenever you kind of spread it out. So about every 250 words of content, you want to make sure that you save um, a keyword. So with that, that's pretty much how content works. Uh, Line restoration only has, I would say, about 200, maybe 100 words of content, and they're ranking up there. So, I mean, shoot, if we had like 500, we could still beat them in the content section part. Um, all right, so with that, let's move forward. And I want to discuss a little bit about backlinks and organic keywords. Now, I put your website into a tool called Ahrefs, and this basically just shows you what Google sees and how they see your website. So this is pretty much how you're ranked in that area. As far as water damage restoration goes, your URDR, this is basically right here is your strength and your trust. You have 18 backlinks going to your website with 2 referring domains. You got 2 organic keywords, which are right here. So watersfault.com. So here's your keywords that are pushing volume. I mean, basically what you want in your website whenever you get one is you want to make sure that you're protecting your investment to make sure that you're doing some proper SEO backlinking and whatnot to it, and that everything is saved. That's why all the content and everything is so important. So let's take a quick look at your competitors. Now, they have a little bit more strength and a little bit more trust. They have 362 organic keywords, 76 referring domains. Um, so I wanted to point out you have only two do follows here with 2 referring domains. And that's very important. These do follows are very important. They have 76 referring domains with 60. So they have 50 organic traffic, and as well as 0 here is what you guys are bringing. So I mean, it's very important to protect your investment and get it ranking organically, so you can end up there on the top 3 positions. So so with that, I hope this information is useful to you, Andre. So let's take a quick recap on the 3 different ways. Way 1 is a sponsored area up here, how you can be found. Way 2 is this map pack area. Keep in mind that 30% of your business will be acquired from these 3 top positions. And just remember the word citations. Okay, these 3 top areas are your organics. And keep in mind a whopping 70% of your business comes from being up here on the top. 70%, that's huge. So with that, I hope this information is useful to you. If you ever need a guide to help direct you, in case this is something that you'd want to do and you need a guide for, just feel free to call me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. And you could reach me at 505-331-7995. Or you can reach my email at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. And with that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. And if not, no harm, no foul. I mean, this is free information for you to use as you choose. So with that, thank you for your time. Bye-bye now.